this video, we'll show you a really cool thing you can do with 3D formulas involving wildcards. So here we've got some worksheets that either contain the word cost or revenue or REV. You can write a formula that does calculations only on the worksheets containing a given text string. Okay, don't write the formula in a worksheet containing the text string because it will not include that worksheet in the calculations. Okay, so let's see how this works. So if I want to add up, I've got all the data, I guess, in B4. So if I want to add up every C4, I guess. Yeah, everything in C4. So if I want to add up everything in C4 in worksheets that basically contain the word revenue, I would do sum. You have a quote. Then you have the phrase and then a wildcard. It doesn't have to just have it's REV with anything else after it. And then we say explanation point, and then the cell. And so if you look at that, it's every worksheet that contains REV cell C4 added up, which is really amazing. Now it's going to show up this way, even though I didn't type it that way. Now suppose I want to do that with cost. Okay. So cost would be 40, 35, and 34. So that should be 109. So I would say equals sum, okay, quote, cost, wildcard, quote, explanation point C4, and there's your 109. Really quite cool. And if you put some other worksheets in there that contain cost or REV, this formula will update automatically. So that's a really great trick.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of three books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.